Hey guys, welcome to the video series on nutrition. So this is by far the biggest subject that people ask me about. I get asked everything from what do I eat to what diets are good for me, what diets are bad for me, what are calories, what are macros, what should I be eating, all these different questions. And it seems like the more I answer them is the more questions people have. And they just want more information, more information, and more information. Now I run under the philosophy of understanding what nutrition is and how it affects your body. So if you can understand the individual relationships of carbs to proteins to fats, work it in with your metabolism, okay, and your metabolic processes, then you can put these relationships together, make better choices, be more educated about it, and feel less stress should something come up and you need to grab something on the go. Whether it's restaurant food or it's a birthday party that you're at, whatever it is, you can eat it without feeling guilty because you understand what the breakdown is and what it's doing for you personally. Okay, so I decided to make this video series, really break it down, the individual relationships. We'll start with metabolism. Okay, we'll go through what's a calorie, we'll go through macros, and then we'll kind of put it together in terms of what your body type is and how they work together. Okay. So we're going to start with metabolism. So what is metabolism? So metabolism refers to the biochemical processes that occur within any living organism, including us as humans, to maintain life. So these biochemical processes allow us to grow, reproduce, repair damage, and respond to our environment. Metabolism in itself is not one entity. Okay, it's two different entities that work together to create your metabolism. So the first one is your anabolism, and then the second one is your catabolism. So anabolism builds things up, catabolism breaks things down. What do I mean by that? So in terms of your anabolism, there are simple molecules such as your amino acids that you get from protein that are built up and feed off each other to create more complex molecules. So anabolism, or the biosynthesis, allows the body to grow new cells and maintain all the tissues. Anabolic reactions in our body allow us to synthesize a vast array of finished products. These finished products can include mineralization of bone and increased muscle mass. Okay, so when they say that consume protein to get bigger muscles or more lean muscles, that's what they mean. You want to extract the amino acids from the protein itself. So some of these anabolic hormones include growth hormones, insulin, testosterone, estrogen. Okay? The flip side of this is catabolism. So catabolism breaks things down and releases energy. So it takes large compounds and creates smaller compounds and releasing energy in the process of doing so. So what does this mean? So catabolism provides the energy our body's need for physical activity from the cellular level of body movements. Okay? So starch is broken down into glucose. Proteins are broken down into amino acids, which are released for energy. So when we eat, our body breaks down the organic nutrients, thus breaking down the process which releases energy that are molecules that we call ATP. So ATP, think of it as the energy currency of life. The stored ATP creates an anabolic reaction, okay, and the catabolism creates the energy that anabolism consumes for synthesizing hormones. Now, we only have so much energy that we consume. We only have so much energy that we use up during the day, and we're also consuming the food. So any excess stored energy that we have gets stored as fat. Okay, so what does this all mean? It means that our body weight is the result of the catabolism minus the anabolism. So the amount of energy we release into our bodies, the catabolism, minus the amount of energy that our bodies use up, the anabolism. So this excess energy is stored either as fat or glycogen in the muscles and the liver. And glycogen is the main storage form of glucose in the body. Okay, so now you have a good idea of what metabolism is. Okay, anabolism versus catabolism.